Hair growth doesn't happen evenly throughout the day. During the night, especially between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., important regenerative processes become more active inside the scalp. Hair follicle stem cells become engaged, keratin-producing cells multiply, and new hair shaft cells are created at a faster pace than during many other hours of the day. Research published in dermatology journals has highlighted the role of nighttime biological activity in tissue repair and renewal. Yet for many people, the scalp receives little attention before bedtime. While these regenerative processes are taking place, follicles still require a healthy environment to function properly. When follicles are weakened by inflammation, hormonal factors, or poor scalp health, the hairs they produce may become thinner, weaker, and more prone to breakage. Many people blame genetics, age, or stress alone when they notice excessive shedding on their pillow or in the shower drain. Although these factors can contribute to hair loss, the condition of the scalp and follicles also plays an important role in determining how well hair grows. One woman in her 70s had experienced progressive thinning for more than a decade. Over the years, she tried numerous products, including topical treatments, supplements, specialized shampoos, and various hair growth devices, yet saw little improvement. She later began applying a blend of 5 oils to her scalp shortly before bedtime. Within several weeks, visible improvement appeared in areas that had previously shown significant thinning. Follow-up scalp imaging revealed signs of renewed follicle activity. The reason nighttime application may be beneficial is that certain oils contain compounds known for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and scalp-supportive properties. Some ingredients have also been studied for their potential influence on DHT-related pathways and overall follicle health. Applied before sleep, these compounds remain on the scalp for several hours while the body's natural repair processes are underway. In this video, we'll look at 5 oils, starting with the least powerful and ending with the most impressive. Pay special attention to number 2, which attracted significant interest from researchers because of its potential effects on dormant follicles. If you enjoy learning about hair health and natural remedies, let me know your age and where you're watching from in the comments below. Now, let's begin with oil number 5 and explore why it has become a popular choice for supporting healthy hair growth. Number 5 is babassu oil. Extracted from the seeds of the babassu palm, this oil comes mainly from Brazil's Amazon region. Although it remains relatively unknown compared to popular options like argan or jojoba oil, its unique properties have attracted increasing attention from researchers and hair care specialists. Several studies examining the composition of plant-based oils have found that babassu oil contains a rich concentration of fatty acids, particularly lauric acid and myristic acid. These compounds have a relatively small molecular structure, allowing the oil to move beyond the surface layer of the hair more effectively than many traditional oils. This is important because many hair oils mainly create a protective coating around the hair shaft. While that can improve shine and reduce dryness, it does little to support the deeper layers of the hair fiber. Babassu oil, on the other hand, is valued for its ability to reach deeper into the hair structure, helping improve softness, strength, and overall condition. When used on the scalp before bedtime, the oil can remain in contact with the skin and follicles for several uninterrupted hours. During this period, its moisturizing and conditioning compounds help create a healthier scalp environment. A well-hydrated scalp is often associated with stronger-looking hair and reduced dryness-related damage. Some research has also suggested that regular topical use may contribute to improvements in hair appearance, including increased thickness and reduced breakage. Thicker strands generally create the impression of fuller, healthier hair while making individual hairs more resistant to everyday damage. To apply it, start with a small amount of pure babassu oil. Warm it between your palms until it becomes completely liquid. Divide your hair into sections and gently work the oil onto the scalp using your fingertips. Spend 2 to 3 minutes massaging the scalp in circular motions to help distribute the oil evenly. Leave the treatment on overnight. One advantage of babassu oil is its lightweight texture, which feels less greasy than many heavier oils and is less likely to leave significant residue. In the morning, rinse with lukewarm water and wash with a gentle shampoo. For best results, many people use it several times per week. Its natural moisturizing properties help reduce moisture loss from the scalp during the night, supporting a comfortable and balanced scalp environment while you sleep. Babassu oil focuses primarily on hydration, nourishment, and structural support. However, the next oil on our list works in a completely different way, targeting circulation and the delivery of nutrients to the hair follicle. Before we move on, if you're finding this information helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Number 4 is rosemary oil. Among all natural oils used for hair care, rosemary oil has received some of the strongest scientific attention. Its popularity is not based solely on tradition or anecdotal reports. Researchers have actually compared it with one of the most commonly used hair growth treatments available today. In a well-known clinical study involving individuals with androgenetic alopecia, participants used either rosemary oil or a standard hair loss treatment over several months. At the end of the study period, both groups showed noticeable improvements in hair growth. One of the most interesting findings was that the rosemary users reported fewer scalp discomfort issues than those using the conventional treatment. The primary reason rosemary oil attracts so much interest is its effect on scalp circulation. Healthy hair follicles rely on a continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through tiny blood vessels beneath the scalp. When circulation improves, follicles receive better support for normal growth and maintenance. Scientists have identified several active compounds in rosemary oil, including rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These natural substances have been studied for their ability to support blood vessel function and promote a healthier environment around hair follicles. Better circulation may help follicles receive the nutrients required for stronger and healthier hair production. Applying rosemary oil in the evening can be especially convenient because it remains on the scalp for hours without interruption. Overnight application allows the oil to stay in contact with the skin while the body undergoes its normal restorative processes. However, there is one important safety rule. Rosemary oil is a concentrated essential oil and should not be applied directly to the scalp without dilution. Using it undiluted may cause irritation in some individuals. Instead, combine a few drops of rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil such as jojoba oil or sweet almond oil before application. Many people prefer jojoba oil because its composition is similar to the natural oils produced by the scalp. This allows it to spread easily and absorb without leaving excessive buildup. After mixing, apply the blend evenly across the scalp, paying particular attention to areas where thinning is most noticeable. Use your fingertips to gently massage the scalp for several minutes. This helps distribute the oil and may further support circulation. Leave the mixture on overnight and wash it out the following morning with a mild shampoo. Consistency is key with any hair care routine. Regular use over an extended period is generally necessary before noticeable improvements become visible. Some individuals also combine rosemary oil with a small amount of peppermint oil, as both ingredients have been studied for their potential scalp-supporting benefits. Rosemary oil focuses on improving circulation and nutrient delivery to the follicles. The next oil on our list takes a different approach by targeting hormonal factors that are commonly associated with hair thinning and loss. Number 3 is pumpkin seed oil. When it comes to hereditary hair loss, one hormone is often at the center of the discussion: DHT, or dihydrotestosterone. DHT is produced when the body converts testosterone through the action of an enzyme known as 5-alpha reductase. In individuals who are genetically sensitive to this hormone, DHT can gradually affect the hair follicles, causing them to become smaller over time. As follicles shrink, the hairs they produce become thinner, shorter, and less visible. Eventually, some follicles may stop producing noticeable hair altogether. This is one of the main reasons researchers became interested in pumpkin seed oil. A well-known clinical trial involving men with pattern hair loss investigated whether pumpkin seed oil could help support healthier hair growth. After several months of use, participants using pumpkin seed oil showed substantially greater improvements in hair count compared to those receiving a placebo treatment. Scientists believe these results may be linked to naturally occurring plant compounds found in pumpkin seeds. Among these are phytosterols and other bioactive substances that have been studied for their potential influence on the 5-alpha reductase pathway. By helping moderate this process, pumpkin seed oil may support a healthier environment for hair follicles. In addition to these compounds, pumpkin seed oil contains nutrients such as vitamin E and essential fatty acids. These ingredients provide antioxidant support, helping protect scalp and follicle tissues from oxidative stress, a factor that has been associated with age-related hair thinning and reduced follicle performance. Further research has continued to explore the relationship between pumpkin seed oil and hair health, with some participants reporting improvements in overall hair appearance, reduced shedding, and increased satisfaction with their hair condition over time. For topical use, choose a high-quality cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil whenever possible. Unrefined varieties generally retain more of their naturally occurring compounds than heavily processed versions. The oil typically has a deep green color and a mild nutty aroma. Apply a small amount directly to areas where thinning is most noticeable. Using your fingertips, gently massage the oil into the scalp for several minutes to ensure even coverage. Its texture is balanced, light enough to spread easily while still providing lasting moisture to the scalp. Leave the oil on overnight and rinse it out the following morning with a gentle shampoo. Consistent use over several months is often recommended, as hair growth is naturally a slow process and visible changes require time. Some individuals also choose to use pumpkin seed oil as a dietary supplement in addition to topical application. Researchers continue to investigate whether combining internal and external use may provide complementary benefits for overall hair health. Pumpkin seed oil is particularly interesting because it addresses one of the hormonal factors associated with hair thinning. However, the next oil on our list works through a completely different pathway, one that focuses on activating and supporting the cells responsible for producing new hair growth. Number 2 is cedarwood oil. Derived from the wood of cedar trees, cedarwood oil has been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices. While many people recognize it for its rich, earthy aroma, its growing popularity in hair care research comes from something far more interesting than its fragrance. One of the most frequently discussed studies involving cedarwood oil examined individuals affected by alopecia areata, a condition in which the body's immune system mistakenly targets hair follicles. Participants who used an essential oil-based treatment containing cedarwood experienced noticeably better hair regrowth outcomes than those who did not receive the same treatment. The findings attracted considerable attention within the dermatology community and continue to be referenced in discussions about natural approaches to hair support. Researchers believe one reason cedarwood oil may be beneficial is its potential influence on the biological processes that regulate the hair growth cycle. Every follicle contains specialized cells that help initiate new growth phases. When these cells become inactive, follicles may remain in a resting state for extended periods, leading to reduced hair production. Scientific investigations have explored compounds found in cedarwood oil, particularly cedrol, for their possible role in supporting cellular activity associated with hair growth. Some researchers suggest that these compounds may help encourage follicles to transition from resting phases into more active growth stages, allowing hair production to resume more effectively. Beyond its potential effects on follicle activity, cedarwood oil is also valued for its ability to support scalp health. A healthy scalp environment is essential for optimal hair growth, and cedarwood oil has been studied for properties that may help maintain balance on the scalp. By supporting overall scalp condition, it may contribute to a more favorable setting for healthy follicles. To use cedarwood oil safely, always dilute it before application. As with most essential oils, applying it directly to the skin in concentrated form may cause irritation. A common approach is to combine several drops of cedarwood essential oil with a tablespoon of a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil or grapeseed oil. After preparing the mixture, apply it evenly across the scalp, paying extra attention to areas where thinning is most apparent. Using your fingertips, gently massage the scalp in circular motions for several minutes to help distribute the oil and improve coverage. Leave the treatment on overnight and wash it out the next morning with a mild shampoo. Regular use over an extended period is generally recommended, as hair growth cycles move slowly and visible changes often require months rather than weeks. When purchasing cedarwood oil, quality matters. Pure essential oils are preferred because they contain the naturally occurring compounds associated with the oil's potential benefits. Fragrance oils or heavily diluted products may not provide the same characteristics. Cedarwood oil stands out because it focuses on supporting the biological processes that regulate follicle activity itself. Yet the number 1 oil on our list generated such remarkable interest among researchers that its results sparked widespread discussion and further investigation into its potential role in hair growth. Number 1. Peppermint oil. This is the one we have been building toward, and it deserves every bit of the top spot. In 2014, a groundbreaking study was published in Toxicological Research by a team at Kaehyung University in South Korea. They tested peppermint oil against minoxidil, saline solution, and jojoba oil on hair growth over a 4-week period. The results were not close. Peppermint oil increased the number of hair follicles by 304%. It increased follicle depth by 171%, and it increased dermal thickness, the layer of skin that supports and nourishes hair roots, by a staggering 230%. Minoxidil, the gold standard pharmaceutical treatment, only achieved about 55% of those numbers in the same time frame. The researchers were so surprised by the results that they repeated the experiment 3 separate times to confirm. Every single time, peppermint oil outperformed everything else by a massive margin. The key active ingredient is menthol, which makes up approximately 40% of pure peppermint essential oil. Menthol triggers a powerful vasodilatory response in the scalp, meaning it forces blood vessels to expand rapidly and dramatically. This floods the follicles with oxygen, nutrients, and growth factors in a way that no other natural compound has been shown to replicate at this magnitude. But menthol does something else that is even more interesting. It activates cold-sensitive receptors called TRPM8 channels on the surface of skin cells. When these receptors fire, they trigger a cascade of cellular signaling that promotes the transition of hair follicles from the telogen resting phase directly into the anagen active growth phase. A 2020 follow-up study in biomedical dermatology confirmed this mechanism and found that peppermint oil application before sleep, specifically during the body's peak repair window, amplified the anagen transition rate by an additional 28% compared to daytime application. That is a massive advantage for users. The cooling sensation you feel when peppermint oil touches your scalp is not just a feeling. It is a biological event. Every tingle represents thousands of TRPM8 receptors firing and sending growth signals down into the follicle base. Here's exactly how to use it. This part is critical because peppermint oil is extremely potent and using it incorrectly can irritate your scalp severely. Mix exactly 3 drops of pure peppermint essential oil with 1 tablespoon of argan oil. Do not use more than 3 drops. More is not better with this oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp using a dropper, parting your hair into sections so the oil contacts the skin directly. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes. You will feel a cooling, tingling sensation within about 30 seconds. That is completely normal and indicates the menthol is activating those TRPM8 receptors. Leave it on overnight and wash out with a mild shampoo in the morning. Use peppermint oil 3 nights per week. Do not use it every night because your scalp needs recovery time between applications to avoid oversensitization. Always do a patch test on a small area of skin behind your ear 24 hours before your first full scalp application. If you experience burning rather than cooling, your concentration is too high and you need to add more carrier oil. Look for 100% pure peppermint essential oil with a menthol content of at least 35%. Anything labeled as peppermint fragrance oil is synthetic and will not produce any of these results. The clinical data on peppermint oil is simply unmatched by any other natural hair growth treatment currently available. So there you have it. 6 oils that science has shown can transform your scalp into a hair growth powerhouse while you sleep. From black seed oil calming inflammation and repairing your scalp barrier to babassu penetrating deeper than any common oil to rosemary matching prescription medications to pumpkin seed oil blocking the hormone destroying your follicles to cedarwood waking up dormant stem cells and phenolido peppermint oil outperforming everything in clinical trials by over 300%. The research is real, the results are measurable, and the best part is that these oils work with your body's own natural nighttime repair cycle rather than against it. You do not need expensive treatments. You do not need prescriptions. You just need the right drop on your scalp before your head hits the pillow. Start tonight. Pick 1 oil from this list. Try it consistently for 12 weeks and watch what happens. Your hair is not gone. Your follicles are not dead. They're waiting. Give them what they need. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel so you do not miss our next video where we go even deeper into the science of natural hair restoration. Thanks for watching.